Hey, Jig, man. You try to record me doing some rookie shit. I don't think you supposed to be in the gas motherfucking pump like that. Now, I ain't the smartest man in the world, but it looked like you tweaked. Jig, you wanted to record me the other day? Well, I'm recording your motherfucking ass. Oh, and it don't look like, oh man, it looked like you tweaked. So why are you at the pump like that? I don't see no other drivers like that, man. Ain't nobody else over there right now, but damn. Let's see how this other driver pull in. Let's see how he do it. Cause I think you tweaking, folks. Now, yeah, that's how the other drivers do it. Why are you like that though? That's crazy.